Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj Vits YouTube channel. Have you imagined you can create the digital avatar who can speak, move and captivates all without stepping in front of the camera? So today I will show you how you can create this digital avatar step-by-step process. Before we do that, please watch this video what I created using this AI tool, and we are going to talk about the AI tool also, which we are going to use in this video.
Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how you can create the video AI avatar. This is very easy and simple. You are going to learn it today. Let me tell you one more thing. I am not real. I was created using AI, and of course, you can also do it.
Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how you can create the video AI avatar. This is very easy and simple. You're going to learn it today. Let me tell you one more thing. I am not real. I was created using AI, and of course, you can also do it.
Welcome to Wondershare Verbo. Generate engaging AI video in minutes.
So we are going to use the AI tool. This AI tool can help like a lot of people. If you are a content creator, you can create your content without coming in front of the camera and just provide the script. This will help you creating the video, and you will see the avatar is moving and there is a lip syncing, all those things. If you are like educator or you are giving some kind of training, this is going to help you a lot. Or even though if you have some business and you want to explain about your product, it is going to help you out, and I'm going to show you how we are going to do that. I have provided this AI tool link in the description also, you can use that. And let me share my screen. I will tell you how we are going to use this AI tool and create the digital avatar for your videos. So what we have to do, first you have to go to the google.com, and then here you can search the Wondershare Verbo, or I have provided the link here already, verbo.wondershare.com, and this same link we have in the description also. You go here, and here you are going to click on the sign in, and then we have this create account. In this create account, we are going to provide our email and password, whatever you want to use. Click on create account. So now our account is created. What we are going to do in this, you will see the product here, like get starting online. A lot of things are there, but I'm going to tell you what we are going to do here. So once you are logged in, you have to go to the home page here. So there are some sales going on, which you can, if you get the same this kind of discount, you can get it. But I'm going to tell you, you don't need to use all this thing. We are going to have created this video without having any subscription. So here you are going to AI video generator, AI talking photo, AI avatar. You see the tools, there are multiple tools. So the tools which we are going to use is the AI avatar. So we are going to use this AI avatar. So here you can, there is two ways. You can download this software also, or you can do it online also. So let me do it online. So you are going to come here, and here, since you have just registered, this will ask you a couple of details, like which department you work or what kind of thing. You just can select whatever is related to you, and here is like some content creator. You can select like freelance, like that. How to write knowledge-based social media content, all those things you can select, whatever is helping you. So it will have like, they will have more information, like what is your profession, where you want to use this product, and click on submit. So now you can start doing that. So once we come here, what you have to do, first you have to click on this UC avatar video. You are going to click here, create avatar video. Now it will ask you a couple of details, like the video format. Like if you are creating for the YouTube video, you can use this ratio 16 by 9, and if you are creating for reels or something, you can use the 9 by 16. So for timing, let me go ahead and create with the landscape format, aspect ratio. So I will go here and click here. Now this is populated. Now interesting thing here, I will tell you. So this tool you can also use for, like if you are creating the YouTube channel, this is going to help you. You don't want to, like, you are afraid of coming in front of camera and giving all those things. So what I'm going to tell you, you can use this AI tool, and you can get the script, create your video and upload in the YouTube channel. This is going to help you a lot. So before that, let me tell you some other thing, how you can use the ChatGPT to get the script and let them let this AI tool work and create the video for you. So before I go and use this tool and how we are going to create the video, let me do one thing. First we will go to the ChatGPT and get the script, and then we will paste the script here, and that's the how the video will be created that I'm going to show you. So we will go to jump to the ChatGPT, and here I will give you like a provide me YouTube video script about personal finance, or let's say 30-second video. So this ChatGPT tool is going to give you this kind of thing. So what I will ask, I just give me the sample script. Without any visuals. So you see the like we don't want here now any kind of visuals. So it gave me the exact the script. I will copy this script. Now what I'm going to do, come here in our this tool, and you can just timing, you can paste it here, and we are going to use it on later on time. How we are going to use it, I will tell you. So here you see this first of all we are going to see the background. So it very important. So your video is related to which background you have to find out. Like let's say if you are going to give some education, you can select the like very simple or like looking nice background, and if you are some content creator, you want some advanced kind of thing, then you have to make sure you have the proper background, and you can upload your own background also and use that same background. So for time being, what I'm going to do, let's say if I use this background, and this is not looking good, what I will do, I will just let me take, and here's a different category also, like you want the basic, you want the simple, or you want the lifestyle. So all those things you can select it from here. Let's say if I select this one, now what happened, we are going to go to the avatar. So here it will give you a lot of options, like which avatar you want in your video. So here again you have multiple categories. You can select the male, you can select the female, or you can upload your own avatar, and which I shown in video, like how you can upload your own avatar, and he can like AI tool can make it speak, move, and all those things. So you can upload your photo and it will work here also. So here if you go here, let me select some avatar. Let's say if I'm selecting this one. Okay, now what will happen, and once we select the background, we selected the avatar, and now next thing we have to do and change the voice. Now we are coming to the voice. So here you can, since my avatar I'm using the male person, you have to make sure you can use the like male person voice, and the language, very important. If for my video I'm using English language, so I will select the English, and if you have some different language, you see they have multiple languages option. You can create video or digital avatar in all this language. So what I'm going to do, you can select, like as I shown you in earlier, like I created with the Japanese language. So similarly you can select the Japanese language and create it, but for time being I will select the English, and gender for me is male, so I'm going to use this. So whatever you can play it different, and whatever is suitable for you, you can select them. For let's time being I'm selecting this one. Okay, now what will happen, our video is almost ready. Here you can do couple of things like changes also, like text if you want to provide, or you want to have music you want to add, you can do all this using this tool. So this is how you are going to create the digital avatar for your videos, or see how helpful it is. You have to just write the script and it is going to work for you. So for me, I chose the option as a personal finance, so there they can explain very well, and everyone has to just watch it or understand what they're talking about. So let's say if I click on play script, so it is going to play the script like how this person is speaking, and once you play this, it is not going to you will not see any changes here. Like let's say if I
want to take control of your money.
So you see there is no movement now. So I will tell you how you can see that kind of movement. What you have to do, once your script is ready, your background is ready, your avatar is ready, what you have to do, here you can come and click on the export. Once you export this, first you have to export, then you will see the magic here with this AI tool, And this is, I'm telling you, this is going to help you a lot if you are like just content creator and you want to upload some kind of videos, like you can use for the video gaming, you can use for the education kind of video. It is going to help you a lot. So let's say that it will take some minute, 1 minute, then I will play this video how it is looking like. So now my video is ready. Now I'm going to play it.
Want to take control of your money?
See how
Let's
this,
start with 3 easy steps. Step 1. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses so you know exactly where your money goes. Step 2.
so did you see how exactly this digital avatar is moving, speaking and captivating all around the video? Like as he speaks, he's moving his hand, the body is moving, and you know the face is there is a lip syncing is there. So it's very good. So I hope you like this video, and let me in comment what do you think about this video. And if you are like definitely want to create YouTube channel, you can use this AI tool to create a video for you and upload in the YouTube channel. Don't forget to use the temp email if you want to create this kind of video or you are going out of the credit. I have provided my YouTube video link how you can use the temp email and phone number to create your account and use the free credit to create this kind of digital avatar videos. Thank you.